Welcome to Nobooking Technologies Uganda, source of digital solutions and innovators. We do record short videos for you, and you can also find our videos on this website. Just what you need to scroll down, you'll find these videos there, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. So you don't need to go to different websites to download applications for your computer. Here is a secret website which I'm going to show you, which will help you to download, install, and update all your programs at once. Let's get started. Just open your web browser and type ninite.com. This website install and update all your programs at once. So just scroll down, select all applications which you want to download and install. Scroll down, click on Get Your Ninite. Now here you will get a single download file. Install that single download file. It will install all your programs at once. You will find your single download file on your downloads folder.